Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can reset your Windows PC or format it. Now, to note, be sure you want to make this decision before you're continuing with it. Formatting means everything will be wiped and nothing will be able to be recovered. So if you're sure about this, let's continue on with the tutorial. Now, from the desktop here, go to the search bar up here and you want to go to settings. Now on settings, from home here, you want to go to system. On system, you want to scroll down and you want to find the recovery section here, recovery. Now on recovery, this is the step here, reset PC. Now on reset PC, I'm just gonna continue from here. You can click on keep my files or remove everything. So this means we'll remove everything, literally everything. Or you can remove apps and settings but keeps your personal file, right? So just pick any one of these options. And again, be sure you're very sure about it because this will wipe everything. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.